Get you some of this. Oh, yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Barely got him. Barely got him, y'all. Better get my net. Barely got him at the tip of the lip. When you see that hook at the tip of the lip, you best to get the net for him, because you lift him, he probably come off. See how that hook come out so easily? Yes, sir. Yes, sir, y'all. Yes, sir. Get you some. Get you some of this. What's that? That's number 4 in the live well, y'all. That's number 4 to go. He hit the bobber out there. Put that back out there. Dead stick it. I'm dead sticking it. That's what you call dead sticking it. Just let it sit. Sit out there. Dead sticking it. That's right. Why I use the other one. Go out there and wind in. Wind them in. Y'all heard me? Y'all ain't heard me. Did y'all see me though? Got all that. See, when all that stuff get on your hook, make sure you get all that seaweed. Take all that seaweed and stuff off your bait. Oh, something got my bobber, y'all. Something had my bobber up under the water. Come on, get you some. Get you some of this. Oh, yes. See, he tried to sneak me while I was messing with the other reel. He tried to sneak and go. But I caught him, y'all. I seen him. I seen what he was doing. 5, y'all, in the live well. I'm up 5 in the live well. On the bobber tip. So I'm gonna leave the other one alone for a minute. Leave the other one alone for a minute. See if they getting just a little bit faster with the bobber situation today. Yes, sir. Let's see. With the bobber. There you go. There you go. There he go. There he go, y'all. He ain't that big. He'll throw back. But he's a crappie. It's a crappie, y'all. Baby crappie. He's a throwback. He's a throwback. Yes, he is. Come on now, I don't want too many throwbacks now. I don't want too many throwbacks. Unless they big ones. Now, if they big ones, I'll take all the throwbacks I get. Y'all don't hear me. Y'all don't hear me though. Get you some. Get you some of this. Now watch when I sit it down, y'all. Watch when I sit it down and pick up my other one. That's when he gonna hit me. I think they be watching me. Watch me. I think they be watching. Yeah, look at it. Come on back. Come on back. Get you some. Hit it while I cast this one out. Cast this one out. Watch him. I watch him. While I feel for the other one. When I'm winding in slow, I just feel for this one. Okay. What I got on him. What got in him. Nice crappie. Nice crappie, y'all. That's what I got on him. That's what I got on him. Nice crappie. You still bothering me? Put my thumb in your mouth. Just want to put my thumb in your mouth. That's right. Now let me do that. That'll make 6. Getting the count, y'all. Get the count. Put my bait up on my jig. Y'all hear that loon holler? He's on his way. That's what he be doing. Y'all hear him? Y'all hear him? He's on his way. He on his way. There he go in the air. He's in the air. He airbound. Look at him. He gonna land right over here. Somewhere. Man, go somewhere. Get out of here. Don't you land down in here. He's scoping me out, y'all. He's scoping me out. Look, just flying all around. Look at it. Look at it. Yeah, get on out here. Don't come back. He come down here to check me out. See what I'm doing. See if I'm pulling any fish up. He gonna let me now. He going to tell his buddy, but he can come help terrorize me. Scare my fish away. That's what he going to do. He'll be back. Hope I can get some before he come back. Y'all see what I'm saying? Let me get him before he come back. Look at on him. Nice crappie. Nice crappie. Down in your throat. Oh, down there. Oh man, he got it down in there too. I mean, he got it down in the throat. I have to get my pliers to get it out. Go down. Get blood all over my. Let him go. Let him go. Let him go. Back. Yes, sir. Nice crappie. Got a lot of eggs in it though. So I just let her go back. Since he done blooded up my boat. I heard it. I felt you, boy. I felt you when you hit it. Felt that little tap, y'all. That little tap. Little tap. Come on in here. Come on in here. Yes, sir. Feel it just a little tap, set the hook. Feel just a little tap, set the hook. You might not see no line jump. But if you feel a little tap, set the hook. That's right. Set the hook. Feel anything, set the hook. Yes, sir. Can pick up there, make it do what it do. Y'all welcome to the Freddie MAK'EM Bite Fishing Show. I know y'all sitting back, relaxing and watching the show. And also go hit your daddy. I know he watching too. Slap him upside the head for not teaching how to catch these crappies. Slap him. And said Freddie MAK'EM Bite said so. Yes, sir. But not teaching how to catch these fish. Taking you fishing. Teaching how to catch these fish. But that's all right, y'all. Don't worry, cause Freddie MAK'EM Bite will teach you how to catch these crappies. He would teach you how to catch these crappies. All you got to do is tune in and hit that bell. Subscribe, cause if you subscribe to the channel, you'll know every time Freddie MAK'EM Bite is making them bite. Now see that weeds on your line? Make sure you get it all off. Don't want nothing else on there but that jig and the bait you got on it. That's right. And the bait you have on it. And also some MAK'EM Bite. You see what I'm saying? Y'all don't see what Okay. Oh, that's a nice one. That's a nice one. Stay on that, baby. Stay on there. The hook just come out his mouth. Y'all see that? Got him just in time with that net. Just in time, cause he was barely hooked. He was barely hooked. But you know what? You gotta get cooked. That's right. Put you in the poor man's live well. Poor man's live well. That's what you call a poor man's live well, y'all. Something hit my bottom. Something hit my bottom. Oh, he got off. He got off, y'all. I didn't hit him in time. He was spitting it when I was trying to hit it. That's right. He was spitting it when I was trying to get it. It was a little too late because I was messing with the other one, y'all. Taking that fish off. Turn around, my bobber was gone. It was gone, y'all. It was gone. Sure were. Sure were. Get you some of this. Come on, Crappie. Where you at? There you go. Oh, there you go, y'all. They turned my head. Turned my head. He hit me. Little one. It's a little one. He's an eater. But he ain't big enough for me yet. He's not big enough. A lot of people like these little small. He ain't got enough meat on his bones for me. He ain't got enough meat on his bones. I want the ones you can fillet. That's right. Them the ones I want. I don't like messing with no bones. I don't like messing with no bones. Got the weeds. Milfoil on my hook. Gotta get it off. Gotta get it off, y'all. I want to be natural. You want to be natural. Natural looking. So you can get that big one. Y'all don't see what I'm saying. Y'all see what I'm saying. No, y'all don't see what I'm saying. But y'all hear what I'm saying, though. I'm gonna move, y'all. I'm gonna pull my power poles. Put my power pole up, because I'm gonna move down to my other buoy marker. Because I know there's some big ones over in that area. I believe so. We're gonna find out. We're gonna find out, y'all. I'm gonna get my power pole up here. Get the power pole up. You gotta pull the power pole up manually. Y'all don't hear what I'm saying. Y'all hear what I'm saying? No, y'all don't hear what I'm saying. Y'all know what I'm saying. Gotta get the power pole up, y'all, and move to another location where I get some big ones. I know there's some big ones over there, because they're not over here. Y'all see what I'm saying? Okay, put my power pole down, y'all. Put my power pole down. I'm in another location where my other buoy marker at. See, there's one right there and one out there, y'all. I think this one is where the big one's at. I think this one is where the big one's at. Them 2 and 3 pounders. Oh, there goes something. There goes something. There goes something. Right like a crappie. Oh, barely got him, y'all. Barely got him in the lip. Come on in here. Come on in here. Barely got him, but I got him. Barely got him, but I got him. Y'all see where that hook is at? One little pull right there is gone, see? Come on. Nice crappie. I think that's number 9. I think. It's a crappie though. That's a crappie though. It's a crappie though, y'all. The crappie. That's the main thing. It's a crappie. Get you some. Get you some of this. Come on, crappie. Come on, crappie. All right, you guys. Gonna show y'all again my two bobber technique. I'll use the bigger bobber on top, probably about 25 inches from the next one. 25 inches from the next one. All right, that's what I'm gonna do. And they see that little bobber, they think it's bait fish. They think it's bait fish hitting the top of the water, y'all. So that's what I'm gonna do. Two bobber techniques, y'all. Two bobber technique. Bring this one up just a little bit more. About 25 inches from the other one. Two bobber technique. Let's get out there. Make it do what it do. Y'all see what I'm saying? Y'all see what I'm saying? Yes, sir. See that bobber? Two bobbers out there like bait fish on top of the water, y'all. And you keep an eye on that, the last bobber close to the jig. That's the one they gonna sink first, or hit first, rather. They see that bait fish underneath that. They see that bait. Yeah, come up and get it. Get you some. It works a lot better in shallow water. Especially when you see the minnows jumping on top of the water. That's the best time to use this double bobber technique, y'all. That is the best time. When you see the minnows skipping on top of the water. That's when it works the best. Yes, sir. Go on back out there. Make it do what it do. Missed him, y'all. He sure took it up under. Sure took it up under. Do it again. Do it one more time. Do it one more time. Come on. Come on. Showcase the place. Oh, he hit it. I missed him, y'all. I didn't get it when he hit it. See, come back. Come back and get you some of this. Get you some of this.